Krita versus Clip Studio Paint. Which drawing app is best? Choosing the right drawing app can transform your creative workflow without unnecessary complexity. Krita offers open source flexibility, while Clip Studio Paint delivers advanced comic and illustration tools. Krita and Clip Studio Paint are two leading digital art applications. Krita is an open source program focused on painting and freeform creativity, whereas Clip Studio Paint specializes in comics and detailed illustration with extensive brush and vector support. Krita is a free open-source digital painting software designed for artists who want a powerful, customizable tool without cost. It offers a wide range of brushes, stabilizers for smooth strokes, and an intuitive interface tailored for concept art, texture painting, and matte painting. Krita supports advanced layer management, HDR painting, and animation features, making it versatile for various art styles. Its open-source nature encourages community-driven development and plugin integration, expanding its capabilities continuously. However, Krita can have a steeper learning curve for beginners and sometimes struggles with performance on very large files or complex vector tasks. It is ideal for artists who prioritize painting and want a cost-effective, flexible solution that evolves with user input. Those who appreciate open-source software and need a wide brush engine variety will find Krita especially suitable. Clip Studio Paint is a professional-grade drawing application widely favored by comic artists, illustrators, and animators. It excels in providing specialized tools such as vector layers, perspective rulers, and a vast library of customizable brushes designed to mimic traditional media. The software supports frame-by-frame animation and offers features tailored for manga creation, including panel layout and speech bubble tools. Clip Studio Paint operates on a one-time purchase or subscription model, providing regular updates and extensive asset libraries. Its interface is user-friendly, balancing power and accessibility, which suits both beginners and advanced users. While it is a paid product, the investment is justified by its comprehensive toolset and industry-standard features. Limitations include occasional complexity in mastering all features and the need for a license which might deter casual users. Clip Studio Paint is ideal for artists focused on comics, detailed illustrations, and animation workflows requiring precision and extensive resource support. Krita and Clip Studio Paint serve different artistic needs despite some overlap. Krita's open source model offers unmatched flexibility and zero cost, perfect for painters and those experimenting with digital art. It thrives in freeform painting and animation but can lag in vector precision and comic-specific tools. Clip Studio Paint shines in comic and manga creation, providing advanced tools like vector layers and panel management that Krita lacks. It is better suited for artists needing structured workflows and professional-grade animation features. The trade-off is cost and a steeper learning curve to master its full potential. For example, a concept artist might prefer Krita for its brush variety and customization, while a comic artist benefits more from Clip Studio Paint's specialized tools and asset store. Both apps deliver high-quality results but cater to distinct creative processes and budgets. Choose Krita if you want a powerful, free, and flexible painting tool focused on digital art and animation without the constraints of licensing fees. Opt for Clip Studio Paint when your work demands professional comic and illustration tools, precise vector support, and animation features backed by regular updates. It's the best choice for artists who need a comprehensive industry-standard app tailored for storytelling and detailed artwork.